Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the original. Duplicate the background and work on the copy so you can revert. Next, isolate the item using a precise selection tool, lasso for rough shapes, pen for accuracy, or quick select for fast edges. Once selected, refine the edge with feather and smooth controls to avoid hard borders. Make a mask from that selection so you can always repaint or adjust the removal area without touching the base pixels. Now remove the object. Use Content-Aware Fill for quick contextual fills. If results fail, switch to the Patch tool and sample a nearby clean area to reconstruct texture. For detailed fixes, use Clone Stamp or Spot Healing with careful sampling. Match grain, direction, and lighting. Work on separate repair layers, then blend with opacity or blending modes. This gives you control to tweak edges and texture without damaging the reconstruction beneath. Finish by scrutinizing edges and tonal match. Zoom to check texture continuity and color shifts, then use subtle dodge and burn or frequency separation to harmonize fine details. Merge only when satisfied, save a layered PSD for future edits, and export a flattened JPG for delivery. If you notice halos, edge seams, or repeating patterns, reduce clone opacity, apply a small Gaussian blur to the seam, or resample a different source area. This troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.